Okay. Hello, I'm Monika Kocaqi. I'm from Albanije. I'm a social worker by profession. I'm expert on gender equality, gender-based violence, and domestic violence issues. I work in Albania, but also in the region, and I'm very happy today to share with you how much important is your job program, especially for the life of young women and women themselves, because I have seen from all those interventions that this program did how the life of young women and women has changed. This project is based on their needs, their specific needs. This project respects their desires. This project teach them how they can realize their dreams, how they can really be much more powerful than they are. And this project also is with them anytime because it supports them to realize what they think is important in their life in terms of economy, in terms of profession, in terms of being stronger, being a strong voice in our society.